Hello everyone. This tutorial will be about how to convert your Unreal Engine 4 project into an Unreal Engine 5 project. So first of all, you want to search your Epic Games launcher. I already have mine launched here. So I just right click that, then click Unreal Engine. The launcher should load up. And next you want to go into your Libraries tab. Make sure you're clicking Unreal Engine here. And I was actually previously working with 4.26.2, but you want to install the latest one. So one way to do that is you click the plus button here and you choose like the version you want to install. So currently it doesn't say 5.0.2 for me because I already have it listed here. So yeah, look for like the latest version number. Sorry. Then you want to make sure you click install, and that will prompt you to pick a location to install it. But I will not install this, but pretend that was 5.0. Yeah, and that should download. And here's how you take a look at your downloads once you've already clicked the prompt. Okay. Cool. So let's launch 5.0.2. Currently, we have a project file that is actually 4.26.2, and we're going to work on converting that to be able to be launched in 5.0.2. The process is pretty simple. So my engine's just launching now. Okay, you should have something popping up like this. That'll be the Unreal Editor 5.0.2 launching. Great. So now it's probably going to take a while for you to first boot up the engine. It took me like around 2 minutes to actually boot it up. Okay. So you'll probably see a list of the projects that you've made, and they will actually list the version number here where it was originally made. But if it says current, that means it was made in this engine version that you're using, so Unreal Engine 5. So what we want to do to make sure that you open the correct project is you click browse here at the bottom right, and then you just point to the project file that you want to convert. So for me, I actually have this 4.26 file that I want to convert to Unreal Engine 5. And you just point to its u.project, so that'll be this one, the Unreal Engine project file. You click open. Okay, so now it will give you this prompt. This project was made with a different version of Unreal Engine. More options. And for me, I've actually already kept copies of that folder. So you can use like either these two options here to convert it. You can either open a copy of your current project file if you want to be able to have the 4.26 just in case the project file glitches. I'd actually recommend clicking this. Otherwise, you can also click convert in place if you've already made a backup of your file, which I have done. So I'll click that. And now it'll just give it some time to format. Project requires a Graphic plugin. We'd like to download from Unreal Engine Marketplace. That's just a plugin that I personally use and something I recommend. So I actually want this in Unreal Engine 5, so I will download it. Cool. So when I clicked yes, it brought me to the store page, and it's just a simple click install to engine. And we want a slot to add the plugin to Unreal Engine 5. So we just click install and it should be good. Great. So now it's finished installing. And I am actually once again going to launch the engine because it just closed on me as it wanted to install that plugin. So that might happen to you in case your project file has already installed some plugins in it. Great. So my Unreal Engine is launching again a lot quicker than last time because it's the second time that we're launching it. And here we're just going to make sure it points to the right place again. Let's point it back to the file that I wanted to convert, the exact same file. So now it's booting up the file that I converted. The file I want to convert, I've now opened it up in Unreal Engine 5, and I get a prompt here at the bottom right saying my project file is up to date, is out of date, sorry, and if I would like to update it, we'll just click yes. And yep, now your project file is successfully updated to run in the latest engine, so that's great. And let's just boot up one of our maps here for this project file. Let's boot up the third person example map here, so we have something we can look at. So now I've just booted that up, and it should say third person example map here. Great. Now let's press Alt P or this play button here, and let's see if everything still works. Ninjas, come here. Ninjas. Oh, yep, they are thirsty. Ninjas are still kicking. yeah, it looks like everything still works. So we've got our traps, we've got our ninja AI, which is in progress. We've also got the main menu options there. Yeah, it seems like everything is working just fine. Aside from a few bugs with the ninja AI, which is yet to be fixed. Yep, our main menu works as well, which is quite great. And there you go, your project is now successfully converted to the Unreal Engine 5. And everything should look very similar. You should be able to find all of the pieces of code that you've made before. You got your viewport here, you got your event graph. Something strange actually happened. So in the process of conversion, I noticed that the AI was glitching out a little bit, it wasn't following the player. That's because if we actually head into the behavior tree of the ninja, so it'll be like my assets, enemies, ninja, AI and behavior tree. This find player location was somehow switched back to say self actor, where it should say target location. So let's fix that and let's try playing the game, and the ninja should be following us just fine. Yeah. And just like that, it was a seamless move over from 4.26 to Unreal Engine 5.0. Cool, the ninjas killed me. Yep, see you next time.